Smart bulbs are the fastest way to make an apartment feel upgraded. These are TP-Link Tapo smart bulbs, and there's no wiring involved. You just screw them in like normal bulbs. Okay, so the first thing it wants me to do is to screw the new bulb in with the power switch turned off. Now it wants me to turn the bulb on and wait for it to blink 3 times. Okay, so the light bulb has its own little mini Wi-Fi network that doesn't connect to the internet, sort of like a printer. It wants me to switch over to my network connections and make sure that I'm connected to the light bulb's Wi-Fi in order for us to continue. Okay, so it found the light bulb, which is a good sign. Okay, so now it wants me to type in my Wi-Fi password. Okay, it looks like we're good because it wants me to give it a name. I already have something in the bedroom, so for now I'll just call it bedroom 2. Okay, so now it wants a firmware update, which may take a while. Go in here, and we have the bedroom light, which we just set up. We can turn it off, turn it on, we go into the controls, we can change colors, everything seems good. Okay, but watch what happens. Alexa, turn on bedroom 2.
I see your bedroom 2 light isn't responding.
Okay, so what's going on? Since all we did was set it up on the Tapo app works, but we got to get Alexa in sync with all that. So the best thing to do is to go straight to Tapo. Go to Tapo, click on this little guy's head, and then go down to third-party services. Third-party services, Amazon Alexa, Tapo Skill. And then we want to agree to this because we have to agree to everything. Link account. Link with Tapo. Link. Now, hopefully, we don't have to go in here and type in our TP-Link ID because that would be a pain. In most cases, if you have your TP-Link ID all set up on your phone, everything is good to go, you won't have any problems. That's why I said you need to do a little bit of prep work before you even get to this point. Success. Okay, we're good. Okay, so now we want to go into the Alexa app, go into devices, and see if bedroom 2 is in there. And there it is, bedroom 2. So let's hit bedroom 2. Click, turn it on. Then we can play with the colors, and everything's good.